It's not an accident you're here today. This Christmas, don't let stress and overwhelm steal your joy. This video will show you how to find lasting peace and purpose during the holiday season, and it starts now. You see, Christmas is supposed to be a time of joy and connection. But for many, it's stressful, lonely, or overwhelming. The pressure to create the perfect holiday, the endless to-do lists, the financial strain, it can all take a toll. If you felt like something's missing or your heart is heavy, you're not alone. So many of us have been there. Today, we're going to dive deep into 3 powerful steps to bring peace and purpose back into your Christmas steps, rooted in timeless wisdom, science, and faith. We're going to rediscover the true meaning of the season and find that peace that surpasses all understanding. Are you ready? Let's begin. You know, for years I struggled with the holiday blues. The pressure to make everything perfect, the endless demands on my time and energy, it was exhausting. But then I discovered a powerful secret, a simple shift in perspective that changed everything. Gratitude. Did you know studies show that gratitude reduces stress and boosts happiness? It's true. When we focus on what we're thankful for, our brains release dopamine and serotonin, those feel-good hormones that lift our spirits and calm our anxieties. So, how do we cultivate gratitude, especially during the busy holiday season? It starts with a conscious choice, a decision to shift our focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in our lives. Start each day by listing 3 things you're thankful for, no matter how small. It could be a warm cup of coffee, a phone call with a loved one, or the simple beauty of a winter sunrise. Write them down in a journal, share them with a friend, or simply reflect on them in your heart. The Bible reminds us in Philippians 4:6, "Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition with thanksgiving, present your requests to God." When we approach our worries with a grateful heart, we invite God's peace into our lives. Gratitude is not about ignoring the challenges we face, but about choosing to focus on the blessings we already have. It's about recognizing the abundance in our lives, even amidst the chaos. And you know what I found? When we focus on the good multiplies. We begin to see blessings everywhere we look, and our hearts overflow with joy. So, this Christmas, I challenge you to make gratitude a daily practice. Let's shift our focus from worry to wonder, from scarcity to abundance. Let's choose to see the world through the lens of gratitude, and watch as our hearts and minds are transformed. Remember, gratitude is not just a feeling, it's a muscle we need to exercise. The more we practice it, the stronger it becomes, and the more peace and joy we experience in our lives. Now let's talk about another secret to finding peace this Christmas. Letting go of perfection. So many of us, myself included, have fallen into the trap of striving for the perfect holiday, the perfect gifts, the perfect meals, the perfectly decorated home. But you know what? Chasing perfection is a recipe for exhaustion and disappointment. The truth is, your family and friends don't need perfection from you. They need your presence, your love, your genuine connection. They want to spend quality time with you, to laugh with you, to create memories that will last a lifetime. Remember, Christmas is not about impressing anyone with your culinary skills or your decorating prowess. It's about celebrating the birth of Jesus, the Prince of Peace, who came to earth to offer us rest for our weary souls. In Matthew 11:28, Jesus says, "Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." He doesn't say, "Come to me when your house is spotless and your to-do list is complete." He invites us to come as we are with all our imperfections and vulnerabilities. So this Christmas, I encourage you to simplify your plans. Let go of the need to do it all and be everything to everyone. Choose a few meaningful traditions that bring you joy and let go of the rest. Instead of stressing over a 5-course meal, prepare a simple potluck dinner where everyone contributes. Instead of spending hours searching for the perfect gifts, consider making a donation to a charity in your loved one's name, or giving them the gift of your time and attention. Remember, it's okay to say no to some invitations and commitments. It's okay to ask for help when you need it. It's okay to let go of the need to control every detail. This Christmas, let's give ourselves permission to rest, to breathe, to simply be present in the moment. Let's release the pressure we put on ourselves and embrace the true spirit of the season, a spirit of peace, love, and joy. Now let's talk about a powerful way to experience the true meaning of Christmas: giving with purpose. You see, true peace often comes when we shift our focus from ourselves to others. When we reach out to those in need, When we offer our time, talents, and resources to make a difference in the world, something incredible happens. Our own burdens seem lighter, our hearts feel fuller, and we discover a sense of purpose that transcends our own desires. And you know what? Science backs this up. Studies have shown that acts of kindness boost our own well-being. When we help others, our brains release endorphins, those natural mood boosters that leave us feeling happy and energized. Jesus himself taught us the importance of giving. In Acts chapter 20 verse 35 he said, "It is more blessed to give than to receive." When we give with a generous heart, we tap into a deep well of joy and fulfillment. So this Christmas I challenge you to find a way to give back to your community. It doesn't have to be something grand or expensive. Even small acts of kindness can make a big difference. Volunteer at a local soup kitchen or homeless shelter. Donate gently used clothes or toys to a family in need. Bake cookies for your elderly neighbor, or offer to run errands for a busy single parent. Write a heartfelt letter to someone who has made a difference in your life. Offer words of encouragement to someone who is struggling. Listen with an open heart to someone who needs to be heard. Remember, the most meaningful gifts are often the ones that come from the heart, the ones that require our time, attention, and love. When we give with purpose, we not only bless the lives of others, but we also enrich our own lives in countless ways. We discover the true meaning of Christmas, a time for love, compassion, and generosity. This Christmas, shift your focus to gratitude, let go of perfection, and embrace giving. You'll find the peace and purpose you've been searching for. And it's not by accident you heard this today. Let's thrive together in God's promises. Merry Christmas. If this message resonated with you, if you felt a glimmer of hope or a spark of inspiration, please share it with someone who needs encouragement this season. Let's spread the message of peace, love, and joy far and wide. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content that will inspire you to live your best life, not just during the holidays but all year round. Let's thrive together.